So today was pretty frustrating. Um, it's April 4th, 2018. Um, Started off pre-market, woke up early, felt good, came in ready to trade, but got chopped up really well into started trying to trade gold and got chopped around here right at the beginning in the pre-market, um, in this current range right here. Uh, Thought we would just get a quick pullback. Didn't expect us to build a trend. Didn't expect us to trend in this price area. Expected more of a bounce up. Got caught up in a little bit of this situation. Thought ended up with a last trade where I ended up trying to short down to here, but got stopped out. So I feel like just not being able to comprehend mostly how this instrument overall trades overall. I mean, we were really getting some big moves where I was trying to risk only a certain amount, but from the way this instrument moved, we were getting some pretty decent swings. Um, that prevented from creating good risk reward scenarios, and I was just kept on being stubborn coming into here. And by the end of the day, by the next thing I knew, I was already finally chopped up with almost, I think, minus 440, and then eventually stopped after this and decided to move on and try elsewhere. Then came into oil, saw the opportunity into as soon as I woke up to short into this area. I did not. I decided, oh, maybe I should wait. For the most part, yesterday I experienced, jumping in too early and getting cut up, finishing off too early, and was not looking to do the same thing again today. So I avoided trading immediately and decided to wait and build a plan coming into the today. But sadly, it did not work out just as I planned. But was looking to short into this resistance area multiple times. Saw one short opportunity, tried to jump in, got stopped out, and then it eventually did move down and into the inventories report. So the opportunity was there. It's just I was too early, and maybe my head was just not in the right place, or I wasn't too focused enough. So that's what happened with crude. And we had tried my way with euro. Was looking for for a short due to the daily time frame. This was a significant area of resistance on the daily time frame. So I was looking to play off, strength on the downside here. Sadly, the one time I did try one time to get into I want to say around here, right into the open. Quickly got stopped out, and by the time I could take advantage of any other opportunities moving forward, I was already done. But I think I should have really focused on trading into this area, looking for failure into this particular area. I think that would have been the best situation overall. Maybe even immediately after these highs were made, I think the opportunity was there. Because this was the area we were looking, that we were most likely to play off of. So that's the thing with euro. Going into tomorrow, looking for more shorting opportunities. Maybe look into we might get a little bit here. Maybe we might even break out. I think definitely waiting for price confirmation. I think over the overnight price movement is definitely going to determine which way we go tomorrow. I think it's going to be determined before we come in. I think that's the way it's been for euro without me knowing it. It doesn't really decide during my time period, it decides before. So that trend is already usually tends to be set. So I just need to be able to make sure to realize what it is and trade to that. And also maybe trading less instruments, maybe focusing on the ES. I tried doing that. I tried today focusing on one at a time. But couldn't catch any fish today. They were all just slipping out. Tough day. overall. Came into the open, saw this opportunity here off the 26.33 area. Wish I would have jumped in. I think I would have had better time trading this right as soon as I opened my computer. We had this nice, beautiful run up. The only thing though was for me, it was a little bit of a, weakness here. There didn't seem to be any strength and volume into this, but obviously the market didn't really care about that, as we ended up not even coming down to revisit that area. We kept buying. They kept buying up to 2640 to 2646, 2648. So we had all this buying around in this area, sending it back to 2650, 2654, 55 being a true area of resistance here. 53. Definitely a good level to keep an eye on going into tomorrow. And also this 2658 to 2660 area will be a good area to keep an eye on into tomorrow. Definitely had the shorting opportunity here at 2660, which was an area that gave us a hard time yesterday. But let's go into what I was trying to do. I got caught up in this little pullback here. I had a Fibonacci retracement on here, and the 2645 was a key level that I experienced yesterday. So I was looking to short below into weakness into that, but that did not happen. Instead, we got a legit pullback that I totally missed out on, and I couldn't comprehend that was there because I was too blinded by this what I assumed weakness and low volatility in this particular area. And I simply thought, you know what, it was too easy of a move coming into today. It's like I expect things to be hard, but like yesterday, I feel like there's a lot of I guess really avoiding previous market movement, not allowing that to really define how today is going to be. Not thinking that because it worked yesterday, the same thing is going to work today, but really being able to adapt to what's in front of you is going to be really key for me moving forward. So those were the difficulties that I dealt with today. I think by 7 a.m. I was already done, so I stopped myself, and that's a good thing also. I was able to prevent myself from pushing too far. I almost did push far, pulled off a Hail Mary trade, trying to get back into the game, but didn't make it. Look forward to tomorrow for a better day. We'll definitely be focused on being more patient, trading ES mostly, CL maybe, and the euro. No gold, because that one's a little bit hard. I mean, I feel like I can start off with, basics, I almost want to just focus on the ES, but I mean, I think there's a lot of opportunity that can come into euro moving into tomorrow if we fail. And I think there could be some opportunity into oil if we find good setups. But I think ES will be the bread and butter overall. I think that's what I should focus on. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be focusing on tomorrow.